Most makeup contains chemicals that are damaging your fertility. 52% of 200 makeup products tested contained harmful forever chemicals.
Let's talk about the forever chemicals in cosmetics, or PFAS. PFASs are a group of chemicals that are used in a lot of industries because of their unique properties. Those chemicals makes everything more durable, resistant to wear and tear, and also waterproof. There are thousands of compounds that fall under the name of PFASs. And the question, why are they called forever chemicals? Because they are very resistant to degradation. Their chemical structure contains one of the shortest and strongest bonds in organic chemistry. It is the bond between the carbon atom and the fluorine atom. Now about the safety. There is a growing evidence that some of those compounds are not good for our health. In the US, the phasing out was done by the cosmetic industry and some proposed bills because the alternatives are available and the use of PFAS in cosmetics is limited. And in the EU, some restrictions were put by the cosmetic regulation, for example, banning the PFOA and PFOS. And also there is now a roadmap requested by 5 countries in the EU to do a full restriction for almost 10,000 PFAS compounds, not only in cosmetics, but all industries with some exception for medical device industry. You can see the roadmap here if you want, the key points in time for specific action by the EU regarding the PFAS issue. The Danish Environment Protection Agency did one of the only cosmetics-related risk assessment concerning PFAS. The agency concluded that PFAS found in individual products are most likely to not cause any risk for humans. Let me know if you want part 2.